Hello my loves! Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hello girl and welcome to my channel. My name is Anne and I'm here helping you guys to become the best version of yourself. So if you are passionate with makeup, please do consider subscribing to my channel because I do upload beauty videos 3 times a week. So in today's Tricky Friday, I will be answering Miss Flo's question, and she asked, Ate Ann, what are the effective ways po on how to put blush on? Is there any rule or different ways on how to apply it? For example, if you have a prominent cheekbone, should you apply it in circular motion? Is there a rule of choosing the right shade for your skin tone and the lipstick you should use? Thank you so much, Miss Florian, for sending in your question. But before I answer that, I just wanted to let you guys know the function or what does a blush does on our face. After applying our foundation on our face, as you guys know, we lose the color on our face and our face looks super duper flat kasi one color lang siya or one dimension, and that is why we are using blushes and bronzers on our face. Therefore, our blushes is a makeup product that we use to bring the color back on our face, and it is also meant to add flush on the apples of our cheeks and make our cheeks stand out whenever we smile. So yun yung kanyang purpose. So to answer your question, kung meron bang rule in applying your blush on. Actually guys, in makeup artistry, we do not have any rule. So you can do whatever you guys wanted since this is an art. And yung pagkakaiba lang guys is yung ating face lang yung ating canvas. But there are makeup application tips that we use as makeup artists that will be much more suitable for our face shape, for our skin tone. So there are a lot of things to consider. So with that being said, let me now share with you guys how will you choose or find the perfect blush that will suit your skin tone. So the first thing that you have to consider in buying your blushes is dapat alam nyo yung skin tone, which is very easy naman kasi meron lang naman tayong fair, medium, and dark skin. But we also have to consider our undertone in choosing our blushes. So just in case you guys don't know your undertones, I already did a video about it. So I'll just put the link on card up here or at the description box below so that you guys can watch that video first, then go back to this video para mas maintindihan niyo yung discussion natin. So the first tip that I can give you guys when you are choosing your blushes or yung blush color na i-apply nyo sa inyong face, if you are going for a very natural look, guys, choose a blush or shade of blush that has the same undertone as your skin. If you guys wanted a more bolder blush on, then use the opposite undertone as your skin para mas mag-stand out siya. Magpa-flash ako sa screen ng mga pictures ng blushes that has warmer undertone and then cooler tones and yung mga magagandang shades din that will suit your specific skin tone.
If you have fair skin, you'll need to choose a blush that won't overpower your light complexion. Choose a natural blush that has a cool or neutral undertones in a light pink base. You'll want to stick to cool tones, especially if you are extremely pale. Otherwise, red undertones in the blush will make you look red and blotchy. If you're fair tone with cool undertones, you'll want to pick a blush in a light pink family. The warm golden hue will enhance your natural glow without overpowering it. If you're a medium tone with warm undertones, you'll want to stick with a blush that is a more neutral peach or slightly pink colored. This will create a more natural looking flush that will complement your warm tones. If you're a medium tone with cool undertones, you'll want to steer towards a blush in the red family. This will add a bit of warmth without going too bright or too dark. If you have a deep skin tone with warm undertones, you'll want to opt for mellow tones that lean towards coral. This hue will give you a realistic flush that will complement your rich, gorgeous complexion. If you have a deep skin tone with cool undertones, you'll want to go for a natural blush in the red to brick red family to add warmth to the naturally cool tones on your face.
And the last tip that I can give you guys is to consider the makeup look that you are going for, or the look that you wanted to achieve. Kasi for example, if you guys wanted a very smoky eyes, so whenever I am doing a very smoky eyes, you guys notice na gumagamit lang ako ng very natural and muted na shade ng blush because I wanted your focus to be on my eyes. But in today's look, since I don't have any eyeshadows on my eyes, I added more blush on my cheeks para mag-stand out ng aking cheeks. But I still wanted you guys to focus on my lips because I do have red lipstick. So I used a more natural looking blush. So those are the tips that I can give you guys in choosing the right blush that will complement your look and your undertone. To answer your question naman about the blush application, yes, we do have different blush application techniques, and that will depend on your face shape. So if you guys haven't watched my video discussing with you guys the different face shape, or if ever you guys doesn't have any idea of what face shape you have, then you have to skip this video or pause this video and go to the link that I will put up here or at the description box below para mas maintindihan nyo yung discussion dito. So for the blush application demo, we have 4 different techniques that we do as makeup artists. So I will be flashing the demo on the screen while I am discussing it para mas makita nyo at maintindihan nyo kung ano yung sinasabi ko. So the first blush application technique is called classic blush application. So yung classic blush application, get a blush, and then starting from your hairline, you are going to sweep it inwards towards the apples of your cheeks. So ganyan yung classic. So classic blush application is going to be suitable for the different face shape because it looks more natural and it also adds more definition on your face. So the second blush application is also one of my favorite, and this is going to be suitable for people who has square face and then round face shapes, which is what I have. Since yung pinaka-wide na area sa ating face is yung ating cheeks, so if you wanted to slim your cheeks down, you have to do this application technique, and it's called sculpted blush application technique. So para lang din kayo mag-a-apply ng inyong contour. I highly recommend for you guys to use yung brush na medyo angular para mas madali. So your contour is here, dito sa hollows ng ating cheeks towards our lips, diba? So if you wanted to slim down your face, just apply your blush on top of your contour and then sweep it towards your hairline na paslat. So, parang naglalagay ka lang din ng contour. So, you are just going to apply the blush on top of the contour and swiping it upward towards the tip of your ear. So, ganyan yung pag-apply sa sculpted. And this will help with slimming down your face and lengthening your face since medyo yung height na ating face is maliit. If you guys have a heart-shaped face or if you guys have a longer face, I highly recommend for you guys to do a blush application technique that is called the Healthy Glow. This focuses on your cheeks or the apples of your cheeks, and it also helps in widening up this area. And I highly recommend for you guys to use yung dome shape ng brush and then focus it on your cheeks or the apples of your cheeks and blend it in a circular motion. And lastly is the highlighter blush application technique. So again, this blush application is going to suit all of the different face shapes that we have, and it will also help yung mga merong pear shape na face na ma-focus yung attention again sa inyong cheekbones, and it will reduce the appearance ng size ng ating jawbone. So usually, you have to locate the upper part of your cheekbones, but make sure na very careful ang pag-apply nyo ng blush na para hindi malagay dito sa under eye area. So, these are the areas na hindi nyo lalagyan. So, dapat i-focus nyo lang dito siya. And then, you are going to sweep it towards your temples, and you can also sweep it across your brow bone para mas maganda yung effect. So, pag ganyan siya kasi yung application niya ng blush on. For my bonus tip for you guys, if you guys wanted to make your blushes last longer on your face, you must apply a cream blush first before applying it or setting it with the powder kasi mas magiging long-lasting or long-wearing ang inyong mga blushes. And make sure that when you are applying your blushes, make sure that you are using the right size ng blush brush. So that is it for our Tricky Friday for this week, guys. I hope that you guys learned a lot of new things from this video. And if you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that you guys will be notified every single time that I upload my new videos. If you have questions or topic suggestions, please don't hesitate to leave your comments at the comment box below with the hashtag TrickyFriday para mas madali ko siyang makita, especially on my social media accounts. And please do let us know what tips and tricks you guys use in applying your blush and finding the perfect shade that will suit your undertone or your skin tone at the comment box below as well, just in case I missed something from this video. So that is it for this week, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget what I always say to you guys. Don't let your dreams just be dreams. Make your dreams possible, and I will see you guys again on Monday. Bye, guys!